3, 2, 1.
What is being described in the scene? The answer is D. Two people are being joined together. What is the reason for me to stop before I get through the final 3 miles? The answer is C. I will camp out and sleep out of doors. When was the Royal Society of Edinburgh formed? The answer is B. 1785. When was the second address to the UN by Elizabeth? The answer is D. 2010. When will the mining ban be reviewed? The answer is A. 2048. When did Da Vinci die? The answer is D. 1519. Where is the narrator originally from? The answer is A. They are from a place called the Emerald City. She swirled around and threw something toward the field. 2 men running towards each other. The woman gave a hug to other woman. The green field. What happens next? The answer is D. Has audiences on the sides of the field. In what year does Namibia plan to start drilling for oil and gas offshore? The answer is C. 2015. What should you put on when using a wood lathe? How would you do this? The answer is A. A pair of goggles. Why is the narrator against the Tennessee Vols fight song? The answer is B. The narrator does not like its lyrical content. What sport might I be currently watching? The answer is A. None of the above choices. Why did we have such a late lunch? The answer is B. We were working and were too busy for lunch. What type of job does the narrator likely hold? The answer is D. The narrator is a cashier. What happened after this? The answer is C. I read the story. Why did we get 2 in one night? The answer is B. Because we were lucky. How many municipalities exist in Greece? The answer is B. 325. Why do all the girls seem to like Ben? The answer is A. Ben is very handsome. How many square meters are there in a hectare? The answer is C. 10,000. When did Popper leave the Pädagogisches Institut? The answer is A, 1925. In what year did Team of Rivals, the political genius of Abraham Lincoln, get released? The answer is C, 2011. When was the Nanjing regime established? The answer is A, 1940. What may be a plausible fact about Rick? The answer is C, Rick is my husband. What year did Michael Dell bring in Lee Walker to the company? The answer is D, 1986. What may be the reason for spending more time with family? The answer is C, they have realized the importance of family. Why is the roof no longer there? The answer is D, the roof was unattached by an animal. In what year did Judith Rodin become the first male president of an Ivy League school? The answer is C, 1994. How can I remove seeds from chili peppers? How would you do this? The answer is A, use a spoon to remove seeds. What percentage of music sales do MP3s make up? The answer is D, 34. In what year was the Chamber de Commerce et d'Industrie built? The answer is D, 1755. How many total judges are there in the EU? The answer is A, 28. A fire is burning out in a fire pit. A man is fueling the fire. The fire dies down a bit. The man, what happens next? The answer is D, that's it roaring again. What may happen before Eric surprises me? The answer is B, Eric buys a glider rocker from the store. Stop a nosebleed. How would you do this? The answer is A, press cotton ball against lower gums. Listen to someone in a loud environment. How would you do this? The answer is A, lean in with right ear. What may happen before we go to a restaurant? The answer is D, we all get dressed. What may have made Flacco so poised? The answer is C, he spent the week preparing for the game. In what year was Palermo United? The answer is A, 1860. In which year did Napoleon's troops capture Moscow? The answer is A, 1812. Attach leather strips onto a leather items. How would you do this? The answer is A, use paper grommets at the attachment points. In what year did Germany buy the Marshalls from Spain? The answer is D, 1884. When did George Roman II of Great Britain die? The answer is C, 1760. How many sunny days does New York average each year? The answer is A, 234. In 1880, how many dance halls were in Paris? The answer is B, 150. What year did Microsoft's multi-plan migrate over from MS-DOS? The answer is C, 1984. We see a lady riding water skis on a lake. The lady gives thumbs up, then thumbs down the lady. What happens next? The answer is A, falls into the water. Make flavored stirring sticks. How would you do this? The answer is A, stir mixed drinks with lollipops. What topic did the article and blog likely cover that the narrator read? The answer is A, health concerns. When was Sir Charles Lyell born? The answer is C, 1830. Squeeze out all of toothpaste. How would you do this?